Alright everyone, today we're going to be looking at the suspension of the truck today. I thought I'd make a video. I got the GoPro and everything here. I thought I'd make a video of the leaf springs and the suspension moving under load of the truck. From underneath here I got my mount, my GoPro mount and everything. I think it's a gooseneck mount or whatever it's called. I'm not sure what it's called, but we're going to put the GoPro underneath the truck today. We're going to drive over some really bumpy areas actually and show the suspension moving. I'm quite curious to see what it will look like actually. It's kind of for my benefit and for your guys' benefit, or more like curiosity more than anything else really. I'm pretty much just curious to see it move. I've seen some videos on YouTube before of guys putting cameras under their trucks and Jeeps and whatever and driving over some bumps and that, and get to see like the leaf springs move and the shocks move and the axle move, and it looks pretty cool. So I thought I'd make one to see what it looks like underneath my truck. And yeah, so we're just over a drive right now. It's kind of ironic really, because now that I've decided to, you know, make a video of me doing this, what I just explained, the snow plows have just been out this week and they've been plowing all the snow and the ruts and the bumps out of the road, because it's so bumpy. It was so bumpy around so many of the roads where I live because they hadn't plowed the snow yet, and the snow gets packed and it gets these ruts in it, and that's what makes it really bumpy, and it's like layer to layer of ice and snow. And right when I decide to make a video of doing this, they plow it, so it's like, okay. But fortunately, there are still some residential areas around where I live here that have some pretty considerable bumps, and that is where I am heading now, because right now we're on like a main street and there are no bumps. It's actually pavement, which is like a miracle because we haven't seen pavement for quite a few weeks actually. It's been quite snowy here lately. I'm in Alberta, Canada, and today is actually one of the better days than most these past week or 2 weeks here. About a week and a half, I guess. It's only -7 out right now, and you can see like I don't even have a toque on or anything. I don't even have gloves on either. It's not cold out at all. I have the heater on low. I just turned it down because it was too hot in here. But yeah, anyway, and another sort of update. I figure that I should let y'all know about. I don't see why not. Anyways, is I'm under the threshold. I'm under 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, on my Sir Kingdra channel. That Full Screen or YouTube, I think it was YouTube, they got a hold of me and they let me know that I won't be able to use the monetization perk of being with YouTube partnership. I will no longer be able to use the monetization with my YouTube content because I'm under 1,000 subscribers. I think as of now, making this video, I believe I'm at 686 or 87. So I'm like just shy of like 700 subscribers. I mean, it's not the end of the world that I'm losing my monetization. I'm pretty sure they'll still let me upload like longer videos and stuff and all of that, but it's a little disappointing to me that I'm losing my monetization benefit. But they say that I can, and this goes for like a lot of YouTubers out there, like this is for everyone that's under 1,000 subscribers. So it kind of sucks in that regard, but the upside is that me and all the other YouTubers that are below 1,000 subscribers are in fact able to regain the monetization benefit if I gain at least 1,000 subscribers and have so many hours of viewing content on my videos, well, like annually. So now more than ever, I'm really gonna work hard to earn 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'd love to gain 1,000 subscribers. That'd be amazing. And just gain my loyal subscribers and that. I do have a handful of really loyal subscribers. next of my loyal subscribers, who I'm very thankful for, who are always commenting on my videos and posting positive and kind comments. I really appreciate that, guys. But yeah, anyways, just driving here, and I'm gonna get to the bumps here, and we'll see what she looks like. All right, guys.